Welcome everyone, welcome and thank you for joining the Shiva Das Ambient course and the Nada Yoga Revolution. Thank you for joining and becoming a part of our community. My name is David Shiva Das and this is my sound lab. I'll be providing a lot of videos in the future from here in the sound lab. We'll be listening to some ambient music together. I'll show you my technique for creating ambient sounds and things like that. I've been studying Nada Yoga and practicing Nada Yoga for many years now. I've been practicing Hatha Yoga for almost 30 years, and I've been teaching Hatha Yoga for about 25 years. I've also been teaching meditation. I've been studying mantra. I teach mantra and Sanskrit and so forth. And I teach a lot of the more mystical elements of Tantra as well, which do involve sound and do involve Nada Yoga. You know, the Nada Yoga tradition literally goes back thousands of years. And it really became prevalent and it became its own practice when it was described in the Nada Bindu Upanishad, a very ancient spiritual text from India. It was also described early on in the ancient Rig Veda, probably the earliest yogic text in existence today. And at that time, of course, there was no formalized music, there was no musical scales, there were no notes. None of these things had been thought of, or we could say discovered yet. So as we move forward together through this course, we will actually take a look at the ancient roots of Nada Yoga. We'll take a look at the ancient roots of music itself from its very earliest times. And we'll also look at how and why music affects our emotions and our states of mind. And we'll also dive deep into how ambient music, and in fact, ambient sound can draw us into deep states of meditative absorption. Ambient sound can stimulate memories, stimulate old feelings, and so forth. So we'll take a look at all that in the future. We'll offer you recordings of meditations, guided meditations, and samples of Shiva Das ambient music as well. And we'll learn about the traditions of Nada Yoga. We'll learn about Nada Yoga meditation, what it really is and what it isn't, and how we can use it to truly know ourselves. This is at the heart of yoga, knowing ourselves. This is how yoga heals. And of course, there's other benefits that come along with your subscription. You'll be able to help out as well, a member of our street team, and perhaps even be called upon to be a member of our road crew. You'll receive monthly emails, and you'll get deep discounts on our Shiva Das ambient merchandise, and also on the cost of events that we'll hold in the future. So thanks again for joining. I look forward to going on this Nada Yoga journey with you. And if you haven't signed up already, please click the link below and become a member of our Nada Yoga community. Namaste, my friends. Many blessings. Om Namo Namaha.